We're on a little adventure this afternoon, exploring the opposite side of the island from where we're anchored, and on a little scavenger hunt to try to find some coconuts. Try to load up on those before we pull the anchor and sail out of here. We've got some coconuts.
Some sheer heroics on your part. What were you thinking going up there?
Well, it's kind of mediocre fall into semi-submerged sandy waters. Oh!
It's got that same flavor. Strawberries. That's the sweetest coconut I've ever had. Hands down, sweetest coconut I've ever drank.
Wow, that's really sweet.
Whoa.
Well, that means we gotta haul most of these out. Too good to leave behind. These will be good in about 400 miles into the Pacific.
All right, Project Coconut. Success.
Just as we pulled up the anchor and started to head in, we saw a kid running down the beach with what looked like a pretty old surfboard. And he just paddled out right at the end of the wave here. So we're gonna jump back in and go say hi and check out his board.
Epic channel right here. It just sucks super hard. She sucks hard. Ian's been able to foil these like standing waves.